So, ito yung personality profile nung lahat. Okay? So, mga yellow or playful yellow, ang strength nila, people person, humor, creative and colorful, great storyteller. Ang weakness nila, disorganized. Talks too much, easily distracted, often late. Tapos, yung mga powerful red or powerful choleric, so sila naman, ang strength nila, decisive, work well under pressure, productive, production-oriented, great leader. Pag may yung rush na kailangan matapos, bigay mo yan sa mga choleric, matatapos yan. Then, weakness, too opinionated, workaholic, over-intense, insensitive. So, yung mga peaceful green or mga phlegmatic, strength, ang adaptable, good under pressure, good listener, kind. Weakness nila, too quiet. Procrastination, stubborn, avoids conflict. Yung proper blue or mga melancholic, attention to detail, good with numbers, great at process or system, self-starter or initiative. Ang weakness nila, lacks spontaneity, struggles under pressure, hard to please, can't function without structure. Ayaw nyo ng magulo. Ito ang maganda. Ito pa. Ito yung gustong-gusto ng mga yellow. Fun, loving, outgoing, life of the party, optimistic. I am quintessential people person. I enjoy being the center of attention and I'm energized by being with people. I'm bold and loud in almost everything I do. Tapos, yung mga eagle. So, powerful red, born leader, get things done, visionary. I am strong leader. I am very task-oriented and often find myself doing multiple tasks at one time. I am not in charge. If I am not in charge, I want to be. So, pagka may ibang leader, alam niya na kaya niya yon, gusto niya siya yung leader. So, yung mga proper blue or mga tarsier or mga melancholic, organized, detail-oriented, accurate, deep thinker, I tend to be a quiet person and I am energized by time alone. I like things functional and efficient and I appreciate things like agendas, details, instructions, and strong follow-through. Kailangan natatapos talaga. And then yung mga peaceful, phlegmatic, or green personality, relaxed, likeable, peaceful, lost, stressed. I am laid back and go without of the time. Ano ba yan? Glow with the flow. And I can be different people and respond as needed in different situations. So, itong maganda. Okay? Meron po tayong leadership sa taas. So, pag gusto mo ng matapos ang isang bagay, ibig sabihin ng lead, pag meron kang need for leadership, ang kukunin mo, popular, sanguine, at saka choleric. Okay? Pag ang gusto mo laro, play, ang combination is the sanguine and phlegmatic. Pag gusto mo nang mag-analyze, mag-create ng structure, maayos na sistema, ang kukunin mo mga phlegmatic at saka melancholic. Pero pag gusto mong matapos ang trabaho ng mabilis, work, choleric and melancholic. No, ang ganda nung matrix na yan. At least magagamit natin yan in our business. Especially pagka malaki na yung organization mo. So habang executive director ka, 4 yung nililid mo, at least napapractice mo na yan. Kasi balang araw, magna-national marketing director ka, marami ka nang nililid. Balang araw, mag-IMD ka at mag-GGMD ka, marami ka nang nalilid. Pag na-expertan mo yan, mas madali ang pag-lead ng organization mo. At mabilis kang dadami. Excited kayo? I think that's my last slide.